Earn rewards effortlessly with the Hotcoin's Reward Center. Complete simple tasks such as trading, inviting friends, or managing your crypto assets to claim Futures Fee Vouchers and enjoy daily rewards. With Hotcoin's Reward Center, you'll always walk away with something useful and valuable. On the homepage, tap More, then select Reward Center to get started. The interface is simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. You can track your progress in real time with guidance for every step. Daily tasks are yours to choose, from deposits and trading to inviting friends, all unlocking fee vouchers. There are just a few simple steps to claim your rewards. First, browse the task list and select the ones you like, such as Daily Recharge or Invite Friends Daily. Each comes with detailed guidance for quick onboarding. Next, check the progress bar anytime to track your completion status. Lastly, once the tasks are completed, claim your rewards at My Rewards and enjoy reduced trading costs. Please note that tasks refresh daily, so keep an eye out for new ones. In addition, you can tap Events to view all ongoing limited-time campaigns packed with exciting deals and bonuses. Each event clearly displays the remaining time. Don't miss out. Join now and win even more fantastic rewards. You can also tap Invite Friends to bring your friends into Hotcoin and explore together. Every joy becomes greater when shared. With just a tap, rewards are at your fingertips. Want to know more about the event rules? Click the button in the top right corner to view all rules and guidelines for the Reward Center activities. Still curious? Scroll down to explore a full list of FAQ and detailed explanations, designed to help you master every aspect of the Reward Center with ease. Hotcoin Reward Center makes earning rewards effortless. Start using the Hotcoin Reward Center today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.